Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be swatching the new 24A Artist Pass Morphe palette. This is in collaboration, so I thought I would do swatches for you guys. If you want to see my thoughts on the palette, just keep watching. This palette does come with a mirror, which is amazing. Usually Morphe palettes don't come with mirrors, so whenever there's a mirror, I'm happy, and it's quite a big mirror as well, so obviously happy about that. This does have a lot of pressed glitters, which usually I'm not that big of a fan of. I don't get much use out of them. That being said, the pink and blue duochrome type glitter is amazing. That's definitely my favorite shade. I mainly got this palette for the neon shades. Sadly, they didn't swatch that great, and honestly, applying them, I would recommend applying them with a white base, so white concealer, white eyelid primer, something like that. This glitter with the stars in it is beautiful, but I don't know how well it would work on the eyes. I haven't tried it yet, but I did do a look with this palette. I did two. I did one matte look, and then I added the pink/blue duochrome type glitter on the lid, and I loved it. Using this palette was actually pretty easy. Everything blended really well. The only issue I did have was the pink wasn't super pigmented as other pinks I have, so I would definitely recommend using white bases for these. That being said, I do really like the simple look I did with this. I absolutely adore the glitter. If you're not a fan of pressed glitter, I wouldn't recommend this because there's a ton of pressed glitter in here. It's not the best for your eyes, honestly, and I don't typically use it. But that being said, the glitters are beautiful, and I do see myself using this palette quite often because it does have a nice mix of neutrals and pops of color, which I prefer pops of color. I'm not a neutral person. Overall, though, I do really like this palette, and I would recommend it if you don't mind pressed glitters, and if you like the color story. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, comment down below any videos you'd like to see me do. Go follow my Instagram, Makeup by TashaXO, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Thanks, Delbert. Ass. What are you doing? Huh? That's not a box for you. No, apparently it is. What about that? The phone? Yeah, go on the phone. Okay. She's claimed the box. Hi. Hi. Yeah, your sister's in that box. Yes, she is. You be nice, yeah? You girls be good. Yeah. Be good. No, don't s- Ugh, your butt's in the way.
Dance in his mezzo, that means he's artistic. Okay? He's a lawyer who teaches sculpting on the side.
You guys are so sweet. Yes, you are.